Hey my loves, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name is Yuri, and in this channel we do a lot of luxury unboxings, lifestyle, things like that, vlogs. So let's get started with today's video. So I told you guys that I was going to do a Mother's Day unboxing, and I had part of a video done, but the problem was that I had more things coming in for Mother's Day, and I wanted to kind of do it all together because I hate doing little by little. If I'm going to do an unboxing, I want to just do everything that I have together, just kind of get it over with, you know. So today's unboxing is going to be Zimmermann, Rene Caovilla, and of course my favorite, Hermes. Okay, let's start off with Rene Caovilla because you guys need to see these. These are so pretty, and oh my goodness, you guys, wait until you see these. And yes, I got these shoes to actually match the outfit that I am wearing today. You guys already know that this comes with the little dust bags, and these I got at Neiman Marcus. Look at these. Oh my gosh, you guys. Yes, they are purple with silver rhinestone purplish. This designer is amazing. Look at the glitter in the back and all the rhinestones. They're so well made. You will not see, well, I haven't experienced a rhinestone falling off of the shoe. Look at this. This is amazing. And it has the two straps in the front. This part right here that grips, and then the glitter in the back. You guys know the usual. I went in because I was looking for a pair of shoes for this particular outfit. This is a shirt and a skirt, which I'll show you guys in a second because I know you guys always love my outfits, and that's why I decided to go ahead and unbox a couple of things from Zimmermann too, because they're having a sale. And I tried these on and I was like, okay, these are it. These are it for this outfit. Everything just looks so well put together. And I got this outfit a week before Zimmermann posted their sale. So I texted my essay, and of course I paid full price for this outfit, and I asked her kindly if she could do a price adjustment, and I would be willing to just have a store credit and just go shop more. And she said okay, because it was only like a few days before, literally not even like 5 or 6 days before they put the sale. So she said okay, that's fine. So I went in the store, got more pieces. So this is the outfit, guys. Let me show you. And this is amazing. This is a top, and let me show you guys the detail with the little buttons. And then the skirt, you guys. This skirt is just everything. It has so many details. It has pearls, and it also has these little things. Oh, I wish I could show you guys. They have these little fringes falling off. This Zimmermann just makes the most beautiful pieces, and they are perfect for me because I'm very girly, and it's just easy to just grab an outfit, and just how they make the outfits, I just grab the top, the bottom, just all I have to worry about is the shoes, and I'm good to go. And that's what I love about Zimmermann. Also, the quality is just on another level because I've never had an issue with any of their pieces. The other piece that I got was this blouse. Okay, let me just show you guys this blouse, you guys. Look at this. It has pearls going all the way down and pearls right here, and this is filled with pearls. How amazing is this? Oh, and then to top it off, this right here is full of pearls too. So I went in there and I seen this blouse a couple months ago, and I was like, oh my god, it's gonna sell out if I don't get it. But something told me to just wait. And this with a pair of white pants or just a gray pair of pants, I don't know, this just goes with anything. And I got in a size 0 because I've been losing a little bit of weight. Next is this beautiful dress. Look at this dress. And it has slits going down, these little bows, and it has the little bows on top also. And what I love about this dress is if you want to show off your belly, you can put this on, but if you have somewhere that you need to be a little bit more covered, you can turn it around and wear this in the front, and then the bows will be in the back. And then the dress is long. Okay, that's it with Zimmermann. You guys should really go on the website right now before everything sells out and check out all the pieces that they have. They're pretty affordable right now. I'm gonna move on to Hermes. You guys know I love Hermes. So I went online and I saw that they had new blush. And I sent the link to my essay. It's another thing, you guys. Don't shop online. If you want to get your Birkin and Kelly's, be loyal to your essay. And this is called it's iridescent mineral powder. So let's see. I haven't opened it because I wanted to save it for you guys. And wow, this is pretty. Okay, so here it is. Oh, that is so beautiful. And it has a shine to it. So let's see. It has 3 different colors. It smells really pretty. It smells like roses. The packaging, you guys already know, it's beautiful. And this one is called Rose Atacama. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but that's what it's called. And I picked out the lighter one. I think they sent me this one. I don't know if it came with it or not, but they sent me the little brush, which it is so soft. And that's what I'm gonna be using to apply it. This one, I ran out of my blush, so I ordered another one. A little bit darker than the one I usually wear. This one is Rose Nuit. And let's try it out. Oh wow. All you need is just a little bit, you guys, because it's very pigmented. Oh my god, this side. It's very, very pigmented. Look at that. That is beautiful. I love it. Love, love, love. You guys need to try this. And out of my Irresistible lip gloss, which I wear every single day. It's the one I'm wearing right now. And the color is Rose Cola, because I have 2 other colors that are still brand new and I don't really like the smell of it. So I ran out of the Rose Cola one. It smells like Coca-Cola. And I love it. This one is amazing. Yes, this one I love. So I really recommend you guys using this, and it stays on for a pretty long time and it is so moisturized. Next, let's unbox this. Let's see what's in here. Alrighty. Look at these, you guys. They are baby pink. They're kind of showing up right now as nude, but they're I wish you guys could see the true color. They're so beautiful. I think that's the true color. Look at that. They're so pretty and baby pink. And I saw these online. I texted my essay, said, can you please send me the link for these? And accidentally she sent me the size 6, but because I tried them on and they're pretty okay. I'm usually a size 35, 35 and a half, but these are just a tiny bit bigger, and you can't even tell. So I went ahead and kept them because you guys know how fast the beautiful colors go. I love these. These are the Oasis with the little kitten heel. Next, let's do this. So these are the little towels, the little Avalon towels for your bathroom. Aren't these so beautiful? And pink. I got 2 of them, of course. And I have the blue already. I've used them a lot, so I went ahead and purchased the pink. So last but not least, you always save the best for last, of course. So I got this little thing. You guys will see why I grabbed this particular one, because they had different colors. All right, this hard box. So it is in the pink sapphire with rose gold. This is just so pretty. I hope it's focusing. I want it to focus. Oh my goodness. And I got it to match my Constance. And that's why I got the pink diamonds, you guys. I love my pink Constance. I will have this in my collection forever and ever. So I figured that I would get something to match it, and I got the cute little matching necklace for it. I've been wanting this for a really long time, and the reason why I hadn't gotten it yet was because I wasn't sure if I wanted the pink diamonds or the white diamonds, but I just went ahead and picked the pink diamonds to match my Rose Extreme Constance, and I think I made the perfect decision because I love it and my daughters love it. So once I'm done using it and my daughters are old enough to wear it, they can have it, of course. All right, my loves, those were all my items, and I hope that you guys enjoyed my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, so if you guys can help me out, I would really appreciate it. That is it for today. Thank you guys, and have a beautiful rest of your week. Mwah.